Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. What's happening? What's happening? It is I, Melchizedek. Welcome to my YouTube channel, God Kind Effects. We're here for a purpose to serve God in everything that we do. That's why the name is there, God Kind FX. So we're gonna do analysis for US 100, US 30, US 500, DXY, USD JPY, GU, EU. You know, there we will see how much we can cover. We're trying to get as straightforward as possible, right? I told you I'm progressing out of the struggling part, right? Because I overcomplicated things. As you can see, there a few things I want to tell you before we get into this analysis. Time frame is important. Like the bigger time frames control the smaller time frames, right? Another thing I want to tell y'all is there are a few people that drop like really great content, especially for Christians who are not all about this rubbish lifestyle that everybody is living. You know what I'm saying? Go and search for macfinance and traderspin. They're gonna help you take your forex game to the next level. And people, if you're following someone, that someone is following someone, so it's just a passing down of information, right? Then the next thing is, don't just stop here. Go and look up these people that I've just told you, right? Go and search them up. Go and learn, right? So this is the setup that I'm having for US 100, right? This is the setup that I'm having for US 100. Why does it look like so many things? Simple. Trend line, right? These are my trend lines. These are my support and resistance. And I just have this lines here. I don't know, it's horizontal, vertical, whatever. Like they just show me, like they're petitions to show me, like this is the monthly move. This was last month's move. This is this month's move, right? We're not done with this month, right? So this is what's going on within this month, right? Well, this is July. I'm sorry, guys. This is mixed July and August, right? But okay, whatever. So I'm just trying to learn. I'm trying to get out of some toxic habits that I had, right? So this is what I have for you. Was 100. It broke into a serious support level, or was supposed to be a support, right? But now it's a resistance, right? A resistance, yeah. So we're looking to come up down to this support right here, but we see that there's a zone here. And so what are we expecting based off this trend line? We're expecting price to maybe pull up to this, give us a third touch, and maybe continue. We don't know, right? But then for the week, we're looking maybe to see, look, if it breaks out, then sorry for that. If it breaks out, then we're looking to do something like this, right? We're looking to do something like this. And of course, somebody might tell you something else, but these are my analysis that I have, right? We're looking to do something like this. And then we have what we call trends inside of trends, right? We have like a funny-ish, a funny-ish trend. So if price breaks out of here, if possibly price can break out of here, come back, retest, we can be looking for that to the upside. It all depends what price wants to do, but this is my analysis for US 100. Let's go down to US. Let's go down to US 30. This is what we got for US 30. US 30, we got this happening, right? This is our setup for the week. We got trend lines, support, resistance. So if price breaks down, we're going to look to this trend, right? But we're looking that price will maybe pull up to here. Price will pull up, sorry. Price will maybe pull up to right about here. Put our stop losses right about there, and then we maybe look to something right down here, right? This is what we're looking at. Overall, that's what we are seeing. I hope this is not complicated, but that's what we're seeing. Let me jump down to US 500. For US 500, this is what we got, right? This is what we got. Overall, we're trying to see if price can come and react out of this major zone. Can you see this is a major zone? Right there is a major zone, right, with the trend line right there. If price possibly breaks out of here, we're gonna push it to up there or up here, right? Now I would always ask, like, what is your strategy to get in, right? Like many YouTubers, I would ask, what is the strategy? Like for me, I would just look out for a break, right? A break, candlestick pattern, retest. All of those things will help me, right? So that is what I'm seeing for US 500. Let us go to DXY. DXY. Now I told y'all, mind your bigger time frames, right? If we go to the daily, I think I got something mapped out on the daily, right? Right. Look at this. Price is pushing up to the upside. Look, and we're looking for possible touch, right? We're looking for a possible touch, and you can see my partitions, support and resistance, trend line, everything is there. I'm trying to uncomplicate. I had too many things on my chart, guys. You will not believe when I tell you I had one too many things on my chart. So this is what we're seeing right here. It broke up above this resistance here. So what are we seeing? We're trying to see if we can push up here. I wanted to enter this thing here, but I missed it, right? I missed it. I missed it. Let's go down to GU. We got Shao. Right, cool. Let's go down to GU. This is what we got for GU. This is what we got. This is what we got, right? We are at a support right now. So, like, a me right now would want to enter here and sell up until here, but I'm trying to get over some really bad habits. So if price breaks up above here, which I am thinking of, then we're gonna buy, right? But if price does break, it has to be below this zone. Just to be safe, it has to be below this zone. It has to come, it has to break this support that we're having, right? Like, I don't know, an impulsive me would want to sell from here to here, right? And impulsive me. But I'm trying to work on some ugly and toxic habits, right? So this is my overall trade setup for GU, right? Trying to keep it simple, trying to keep it simple, right? Let's do this, shao. Let's do this, shao. This is my overall setup for shao, right? This is what we got for gold, 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 gold. We broke it, made it a resistance right there, and we're possibly looking down to this support. You can see that it had many reactions, so we're gonna see how it's gonna react. Now, normally when price comes here, don't just enter, right? Wait for chart patterns. For example, double bottoms, head and shoulders, and wait for it to complete. Some of y'all will maybe just see like something like this. You're gonna see something like this, and then you'll want to enter right here, right here. No, because you can see that it's forming. I got stopped out many times because of this. Wait for price to possibly do that, and then continue to the upside. You will trade out of the breakout, out of this trend, right? That's possibilities, that we can see for Shao, right? Let's go down. Let's go down. USD JPY, USD JPY. Let's see what we got for UJ, right? So USD, we've reached a very critical zone right here. We reached a very critical zone right here. So we want to see what price would do. We want to see what price would do. Simple trend line, support and resistance, right? Last week, I was working out here, right here. I think I bought from here up until somewhere here. And I really wanted to hold this trade. Guys, you're going to have to work on your emotions. It's really important. So we're going to see what price wants to do. Either gonna come to the downside, but we're just gonna see. We're gonna see, right? Let's keep moving. EU, right? We can see simple again. Trend line, support and resistance. Trend line, support and resistance. We got that. Price broke out of this trend line. For EU, I'm still waiting. I'm still waiting to see what EU will do for me. Like, guys, there's some traders, right? Some big shots, You would look at their setup and you would see clear, they would probably be saying buys right here. But that being that is price action, right? You would need to sell. This is like a flag. If I go down to the lower time frames, right? If I go down, look, it's a clean flag, so price would drop, right? But sometimes even I see when big shots are there, they would say maybe buy right here and take profit would be there. But I know now this is a flag. So I missed this out and I knew this was a sell, but I was looking for buys. I don't know why. All right. So price possibly gonna sell till right somewhere about here or down here or down here. We're just waiting. So these are the analysis for this week, y'all. I can see that you maybe saw how I have tons of pairs. Like I have all of these pairs, right? All of these pairs. Like, let's just go through them really quick. I just try and look for, I told y'all, like confluence. Look for confluence, three or more, right? To get you the best entries. Like all of these are other setups, but to avoid wasting much time, y'all. I'm gonna end the video here. Please do like, subscribe. Have a blessed day. This is Godkind FX. Let's go.